Well, here we are. Off to my right. You can't see it, but there's a very loud river. So I'm assuming it's got a heck of a current. About 10 feet to my right side is, I wouldn't say a cliff because it's not straight down, but it's pretty straight. Oh, there! Through the trees I can see the river. Looks pretty big, and I see a lot of white, so it's moving quick. So we'll just leave the camera on for a little bit and just get a nice little recording of the atmosphere around here. Trees and the noises of the birds. I hear lots of birds all over. And that river is loud to my right. I'll be quiet for a little bit, see if you can hear it. There's one of the Superior Hiking Trail signs I was telling you about, the markers. The footing here is actually kind of a pain in the rear. There's a lot of roots, exposed roots, a lot of rocks. As you can see along this trail, tons of exposed roots. And that makes it a little harder to walk, especially with my left ankle kind of flared up the way it is. Got to be careful of my steps. Of course, when you're a little tired, your balance may be not as good as it should be, but there we go. Looks like I've got some smooth trail for a while. We'll shut it off for now.